Namaskaram. This is the Ramayana month. We call it Karkadam in Malayalam and Adi in Tamil. This month is dedicated to Lord Rama, and we also dedicate this month for the Pitrus, that is those loved ones of ours who have left this world. On the 8th of August, we are going to have Adi Amavasi or Karkada Vavu. That's the day we do Bali Darpanam for all our loved ones. It can be from your mother's side, from your father's side, your relatives, friends, gurus, your pets, and whoever you're going to offer. Everyone will be loved ones for you. I'm going to teach you how to do this Bali Darpanam, which is a very simple procedure, fully in English. No slokas or no mantras involved in this. Shraddha means itself, Shraddham, on your own you do Shraddha, means you just concentrate on yourself. So when it comes to Pitrus, whatever you do, everything is accepted. I don't say that you don't have to use mantras, but this to make it simple for everybody, that's what I say. You don't have to learn any mantras to offer this beautiful day for your loved ones. Just before that, let's say one sloka for Rama. There is one Rama sloka which we always say during this month. That is Ado Ramadabo Vanadigamanam Atmamrigam Kanchanam Vaidehi Haranam Jadayumaranam Sugriva Sambhashanam Balinigrahanam Samudradharanam Langapuridahanam Paschat Ravana Kumbhakarna Madanam Eda Idi Ramayanam Shri Ramayanam Bhaje Shri Ramayanam Bhaje. Karkida Masthile namakku varuna Vavu Bali. That means in Adi Amavasya we call it, the day we do Darpanam. The Malayalis call it as Vavu Bali Darpanam and the Tamils call it Adi Amavasya Darpanam. Today I'm going to show you how we do a very simple Darpanam while you are at home. Most of us, we can't go to the temple or seaside or riverside. As such, I will now show you how to do this. And at the same time, I wish to inform everybody, make sure you always wash your hands. Use your mask wherever you go out. Make sure there is enough social distancing. After this, during my recording, I will be removing my mask, of course, because it's for recording. And make sure that we put our mask properly in a good, proper way of keeping. You always remember, you keep your mask into a plastic like this, because you're going to reuse again. When you don't want to reuse, when you want to throw it, also try to use a plastic and throw it like that. This is how you should do. What are the things we use for Darpanam? Most important, firstly is we need one leaf, banana leaf like this. Things we need for this performance of this Vavu Bali or Darpanam, most important is one valakku. Any type of valakku, as long as there's one thiri, you put a valakku. Any type, as I say, it can even be a small Karthika valakku or this valakku, whatever you want to put, you can put the valakku. And putting the thiri, you put one thiri that is also facing southwards. When you are doing Darpanam, you must also be southwards. Everything is facing south. That side is where the Yama, okay? So that the Valakka should also face Yemen. Alright, next you need is one banana leaf, that is a tongue leaf we call it, or in Tamil is Talavala ila, namakku Naku ila, in Malayalam they call it. This is the one leaf which you need. The other thing you need is one kandi. kindi full of water. If you don't have kindi, you can use any kind of patrams or anything you have, vessels you have, you can use them. Okay. Then you need these black sesame seeds. Okay. This is yellow, black yellow. Then you need is some karikapulla or arigampul in Tamil you call it. This is the grass we use for Ganapati Puja. Then we need some tulasi. This is tulasi. I want to tell you all that when you pluck a tulasi like this, make sure you remove these flowers and put it under the tree itself when you bring. So all the thing should, I purposely brought this for you all to show that I have to remove the flowers while I'm plucking from the tree itself and put the flowers under the tree. Do not bring the flowers along. This is how we do this. Then we need some flowers, the red flowers we need for Surya Puja and the Ganapati Puja. Then we need some chandanam. This is sandal paste which is mixed with water. That's a paste here. We need one rice ball. Okay, rice ball is like this, as big as the tennis ball size. Rice must be cooked with raw rice. No pulungal arisi, no parboiled rice. It should be only raw rice. And the rice cooked the water must be removed. So this means you cannot cook this rice in your rice cooker. Because rice cooker you retain water. There's two ways of cooking prasadams for Pitrus and Devas. Devas means all our gods. Pitrus means all those who have passed away. For both of them when we give them food. For the Deva, when you give them food, the water shouldn't be thrown away. That is why we make prasadam, when we mix pongal or pongala when you do, the water is not thrown, removed. It should contain water, all the water which we cook. But when you do something for the Pitrus, water must be removed. From there, you just make it a rice ball like this and keep one person, one rice ball. Then what you need is a list of names you are going to read for the day. There are three lists you got to break it into. That is, first is the procedures of doing this. Just imagine this is your house. Out of your house, this is your main door. You just in front of the house, we call it Twitter or Muttam, your veranda you have. Clean the veranda you have, or water, wash it up nicely, and you yourself be in attire as how you want to be normally. You can use a male tunda, you can cover your tunda, you want to use in your place. Ladies, make sure you don't wear red color, yellow color, gold color, some plain colors you do. And those who can, you can wet yourself, wet yourself totally, and you come and do it also so good. Alright, so when you are performing this, make sure you see the lamp is there, right? The leaf is here, and this we are sitting facing south. So this is a north and this is a south. For men, you want to perform, you can perform together put by kneeling on your right knee. Ladies, you can. Let's go to the performance of the Bahubali. How are you going to do this Bahubali? Firstly, this is the kindi of water you have. You pour a little bit of the chandanam into this kindi. Put little bit of the sesame seed in it, put one tulasi flower into this, and then now you close this like this and you say, okay, when you put all those things inside this gandi, put your hands like this and say, Ganga, Yamuna, Sindhu, Kaveri, Godavari, Saraswati, Narmada. The 7 names of the sacred rivers where we bring the water and into one. This is the water we are going to use for today's performance. Thanks. This. And now what we're going to do is, take a little bit of water, sprinkle on the leaf and clean the leaf. That is Shuddhi. Next what we do is, we look at and we pray to Ganapati. Say, Lord Ganesha, please remove all obstacles, what I'm going to do, and please bless me. That is Ganapati. Next is Yaman. Yaman, when you have to put the Yaman, till Yamadeva, please accept this. And next what we have to do is, immediately, we will take little bit of red flowers. This is a red flower or yellow flower we take. Turn towards the east. Look at the sun there. Sun God, please be my witness today. Because Surya Namaskaram we do and ask Surya to become the witness for this performance. And you put it under the leaf. Then you take the full amount of Arigampullu or the Karikapulla here. Wash it nicely. And then hold it in your hand, right hand. Tell all the names you're going to say for my Matru, Pitru and Karunya. But first thing you do is you put it on your head on top. Secondly on your forehead. Thirdly on your chest. Now then you leave it here. You have brought the Pitrus to be seated here. And you're going to do the offering for the Pitrus. Rice ball. This is the rice ball which I said earlier. Cooked with raw rice. Water removed and making a rice ball. As big as a tennis ball size is good enough, or smaller, slightly smaller, leave it in this. Some part of Kerala, some part of India also they do, when they do this rice ball, for the females they'll ask to press. Males will be the full rice ball. Whatever it is, you leave it here like this. And as I told you earlier, the list of names, remember the list of names. Firstly, what you do is, immediately you take little bit of chandanam, you use this tulasi like this you have, you put one stick, one of the stem, you put it here, you can just touch it and put 3 pottu. 1, 2 and 3. Put it here. Then what you do is, you plug this tulasi, 1, 2 and 3. Alright? Then what you do is, you take this sesame seed, put it in your hand, take the kandi. With this kandi, you have to now look at your list of names, tell all the names you're going to say. First is your Madru side, then the Pitru side, then the Karunyam. And pour the water as the water flows towards your pointing finger and the thumb finger, the water should flow down. This is how the water flows down. Okay? Remember that. Water should flow in between this finger and this finger. Water should flow this way. Then whatever grains you have, you can use the water and just drain it out everything. Tell all the names. When you tell the names, when you pray to God, you put your hands like this. But when you pray to the Pitrus, your hands should go this way. Tell all the names that you have performed. Please accept this performance, whatever I have done today towards you. Please accept it. Okay? Then sit silently for a short while and pray. Once that is done, immediately what you do is, you can use any leaf like this. It can be even vetla or anything. Take this thiri. This thiri is supposed to be taken like this. Put into the leaf here. Okay? And you are supposed to hold it on like this. Put your kindi on the left side. And you have to prick the kindi to make noise. There should be some sound while you show this Deepam Apradakshana towards the belly. 3 times of this is already shown. Done. You put this under the leaf now. And off the Deepam. This Deepam is done. Okay. Immediately what we do is, we remove all from left side towards the right side. Okay. Cross your hands. This way. Tear the leaf into 2. Very simple. This can be torn into 2. And you cover it. Cover it like this. Whatever, if you are wearing a pavitram, remove and put in. If it's not, it's okay. Just pack it nicely. This way. So that nothing drops down. Carefully pack it up. Take it. Put it on your head. That's how we do. Put it on our head. Slowly go to the nearest one of the plastics bag or bucket you have. You throw into the bucket, and this should be only thrown into any flowing water. It can be river, wherever it is that's flowing water. Just go by to nearby. Being MCO, don't go too far. I'm sure if there's any rivers nearby, just put into the river and then come back. Once you're back, you finished your performance. If there are more than one of you in a house, all of you can do one by one. Okay, you cannot come and sit together because you're not supposed to be. You're supposed to have social distancing. So one after one, you do it. You finish it, and then collect all those things, and only one person go and put into the water. All of you don't have to go. Any one person can go and put into the water and come. The person, after finishing this, then you go and shower yourself, and then you go and pray again. You have to pray again. After that, in the afternoon, towards a lunch, give as Padayal, which is in Tamil, or we give the Pitrus, okay? Whatever food you want to give your Pitrus, it's up to you. Towards 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock lunch. We call it as Veedam in Malayalam. You serve them, and after some time, you sit together and eat that food also for yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the most important performance in our life, where we pay our homage, or we pay whatever we have got from, that is from our loved ones. It can be our mother, father, brothers, sisters, aunts, uncles, whoever loved ones, our teachers, our gurus who have taught us so much. And there is some pets we had in our house were so loving, we have to give them back. This is a day we do it out of courtesy. To all of you all, let's all of us sit at home and do this performance and get blessed. Once again, on behalf of everybody, thank you for listening to this video, and let's have a very simple Vavu Beli or Adi Amavasya Darpana Bali. Namaskaram. Thank you.